Hey guys, Just Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our amazing new listing. This one is 3 Newberry Court in Simsbury, Connecticut, a part of the Squadron Line Elementary School District. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial style home has so many amazing features. First of all, the lot is unbelievable, nice and flat, like a soccer field in the backyard with beautiful vista views of the fields just over on Hoskins, which is great. It's got a great trail and hiking, biking path near here. This wonderful family room is just lovely with all custom built-ins, a great fireplace here, nice and open, all new lighting, freshly painted. I just love this property. In 2006, they did a brand new roof. It's a 50-year architectural shingle roof. In 2010, brand new custom kitchen by Mark Brady Kitchens. 2015, new boiler. They've also got a brand new AC unit going in this week with to do all new AC. So you're gonna love that too. Great, nice, light and bright home. Perfect deck to entertain. The kitchen has all custom soft close cabinets, granite countertops, beautiful tile backsplash, stainless appliances, double oven, you name it, it's here, with a partially finished basement that adds almost 500 additional square feet. This one is sure to fly off the market. The master features an ensuite master bath. All the baths have been remodeled with a walk-in closet and an additional second closet as well. Hardwood floors throughout most of the home, and it's just so wonderful. You better book your appointment before you miss your opportunity. Give us a call if you want more details, 860-325-2484, or you can visit us on our website, starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.